So we're going to go over a common year 6, year 7 problem that a lot of students get stuck on. So converting from percentages to a decimal and a decimal to a percentage. A percentage is to show something out of 100 and a decimal is to show something out of 1. So if you want to convert from a percentage to a decimal, you're going to divide the percentage by 100 in order to get it out of 1. So all you've got to do, write down 70 divided by 100. And then you can identify then how many zeros on 100, 2. Write 70 underneath with a decimal point on the outside of the lowest digit. And then we're going to divide. So we're going to go 2 jumps to the left. We're going to make this number 100 times smaller. So it's going to be out of 1. 2 jumps to the left. So 1, 2. Decimal point lands here. And then just put the 0 in front of it. So 70% as a decimal is 0.7. And then moving on, so if you want to get a decimal to percentage, we want to make the decimal out of 100. So this time we're going to be multiplying by 100. So when you're multiplying by 100, a common mistake is moving it the wrong way. You want your number to get bigger, so it's going to move to the right. So write down your sum, 0.3 times by 100, 2 zeros on 100. So we're going to move this decimal place 2 jumps to the right. So we're always going to go from a decimal place. We're going to go 1, 2, decimal point lands here. A common mistake students make quite often is just writing down 3. When you move our decimal place 2 jumps to the right, you need to make sure that you fill in the gap here. So 0.3 would be 30%. So if your child can confidently do these in year 7 and in year 6, they're going to be ahead of most students.